Hello, what's up guys? I'm Nikki and you are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss about how you can create typing tutor, as we know also about the software Typing Master, in which we have to type the words same as so on the display on paragraph, and if we type wrong and they indicates the wrong words or beep on the wrong words. Okay, so we will create our typer tutor Typing Master application or program in C. Okay, so let's get start this video without wasting any time, and make please guys watch this video till the end. This will be very helpful for you. Okay, we can select our wait, when we execute the program we will get this same interface, and we can select any option from the 5. I want to select user, enter, and you can also select from the list. Okay, or also create your new one. Okay, as I select the 0 invalid number, pressing okay. So add new user. Now I will create my new user and name it to Nikki. File created. Now you have two number of lessons. Select your lesson which you want to write. If you select one A to Z, you will get the 448 characters, and hooks 1757 characters, and the radio 1717 characters. So I will select the first one by pressing 1 and hit enter. Now we have the paragraph below. Here the quick fox, brown fox jump over the lazy dog. So we have to type it. Okay, our time is going on the background. Okay, so you do it as quickly you can. So brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, okay, let's see. If I type the any wrong character, then it beeps and didn't print the character. So now I will type the quick brown fox. Okay, like that you can do that all. So how I did create this, or how I make this program, let me show you. It's okay, let's execute again and let me show you its source code. Okay, great. Open entity.c typing tutor. That is the whole source code of this program. First thing is that guys, I didn't create this program. Okay, first close all the windows. Now I will tell you guys how I get this. Okay, so here is the one website that is code with C. I get this code or the source code from this typing tutor project in C programming. Okay, so I will provide the link in the video description, so you can go from there and visit the website. And the best thing of this website I like, that is it have the more projects on C, C++, Java, PHP, and the more languages. Okay, for download the source code of this program, just click on the download typing tutor project in C. Okay, after the downloading you will get it into the zip file. So after that, so in folder, go to its folder destination. Okay, then you have to extract these files. I have already copied all the files into my Turbo C folder. Just extract here. You will get the one folder. Okay, here. Okay, after that, typing tutor coding. Okay, great. Typing tutor coding. Just open the folder and copy all the files from here and go to your Turbo C folder destination. Mine is into the C, and go to the Turbo C3 and go to the Win folder. Here you just have to paste all the files. I have already paste them into this folder, so it will tell me to replace all the file and destination. So file in the destination, I will just and our program name is TT. Okay, me show you here, TT. Okay, or you can see that into the folder here, TT C source file. Okay, so let's execute the run the program again with the same name, tt.c. okay, just close it and open tt.c. now we'll get this program or this source code. When I execute this program, it will print the same interface of the program. Okay, so you can use any option from the above, and you can visit the website for the more projects also. You will get the awesome projects like that, and its explanation is available in the website. Tutor project extract void in load files and the main menu like that. For the more folder protect software in C programming, you can also check for all the and the best projects on this website. I like it and like this website. I suggest you to find projects in C, C++, Java and more languages on Code with C, and it is the secured website. It means view website information. Now you can see connection is secure. Okay, so I hope guys this is helpful or informative for you. So if you enjoy the video and if this video is helpful for you, so make sure you have liked this and subscribe my channel for never miss an update. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next tutorial.